Next, you get this pipe sign here of Dplyr, very special Dplyr kind of sign. So this is a percentage, greater sign, and percentage. So you get whatever happens here, it's being passed over to filter. And filter is just filtering it down to whatever you put here as a rule. Okay. And then you can also assign the result to new df. And here you're getting the empty cars, passing to filter, and then passing to select, and passing to arrange. So this is a multiple piping that you can do as many as you want. It's infinite. Commands you can run is select for certain columns, filter to select certain rows, arrange to reorder your data, mutate to create new column based on the existing columns, calculated columns, and summarize that are like the group by in SQL or the aggregate that we've